Okay, I just had a good night's sleep there, and I realized I made quite a few mistakes in this part right here. Okay, yeah, the first thing, I didn't see that before. Read word. You cannot return an unsigned chart because you're supposed to return a word, so it's actually unsigned short. A short is as a 16-bit structure, and unsigned long, that's the 32-bit version. Okay. Otherwise, it just wouldn't work. To remind you, you have to reverse the order of the bytes when you read it from the file. Okay, next thing, and this is the really stupid one. Here, what I was trying to do is to load it into a buffer, then copy it into the image, and then copy the image into the bitmap. That's 3 steps, and that's just not worth it. That's just stupid, actually. It's not just not worth it, it's just stupid. Okay, first create the image. Copy and paste. Type image create. And no, not and parent. Parent. Okay, bi width, bi height. Copy this. Okay, now you have the image. All right. Okay, if type image create. If type image create, you have to make sure that it works. And okay, we don't need all this. Okay, buffer. Unsigned char buffer equals. Okay. No, we don't need to allocate anything. Unsigned char buffer equals buffer equal parent dot image data. Oh no, it's unsigned long image data. Okay, unsigned char image data. All right, and then we copy all of this into X. Control X. We copy all of this in here. Where am I? Okay, am I? No, where am I? Oh, it's here. I got lost there for a moment. Okay, we copy all of that here, and then boom. We don't need this or this. Actually, we need something here. Oh, we need this. Is there something else we're missing? Yeah, the second one. Yeah. All right. Okay. So create the image and copy all the bits from the file into it. That's the less stupid version of this. Okay, return 1, F close, return 1. F close, return 1 versus F close, return 0. Okay, now make sure we don't make another mistake. For seek and load each byte. Free buffer. Nope, wait. That's this part right here. Okay. I don't like closing and then exiting here. That just doesn't make sense. F close return 0. No. No, 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 no. What if it doesn't work? Ah, we don't need that. It really could not be anything other than 4. And even if it is it, we'll just do nothing. If it doesn't work, we just do nothing and then the image just loads wrong, but nothing else will happen. Well, nothing wrong will happen, except the image won't show up right. So we don't have to worry about that part. Okay, 1 bit, 3 bits, and 4 bits. Anything else, something will go wrong and we don't care. Okay, so it should work. Okay, next step. We have to be able to display the image. Oh, I think I wrote that one before. Yeah, I was playing with this around with this last night. Okay, we got drawing pixels. Okay, now we need to draw an image. Okay, I don't know if I explained that one before, and I was playing around with it. Okay, you check if the pixel is within the screen, and then you draw it, and then you set a corresponding color to the particular pixel. A color is a 32-bit value. So we just copy the color into the corresponding pixel and we're done. Okay, unsigned long width. Unsigned long height. Okay, what was I doing? Okay. Okay, that's the location of the image, where we want to draw it, and then the width and the height. Okay, now we need to figure out how to draw an image. Okay, we're gonna do it the slow way. Exactly the same as here. Okay, if parent equals 0. Whoa, what am I doing? How do we do this? Copy. Okay, for I. Okay, unsigned long I and J. We need counters. Not unsigned long I and J. Okay, for I equals 0. Actually, it's for J equals 0. You have to reverse it. For J equals 0, J less than, no, not width, height, J plus plus. Okay, for I equals 0, I less than width, I plus plus. Okay, draw pixel. This is the slow way of doing it. I'm gonna fix it afterwards, but just to make sure everything works. Draw pixel. Okay, x plus I, y plus j, and data dot, wait, oh, data dot k. Oh, we need a k. I, j, and k. Those are the three counters, I, j, and k. Okay, k equals 0. Okay, data dot I, j, and k. Okay, but we have to set the return 1. Okay, but where's data? Okay, data equals unsigned long parent image data. Okay, same as this one. Parent.bitmap data. Okay, that's it, I think. Okay, no, we forgot k plus plus. Okay, that should be it. K plus plus for I equal j. Am I missing something here? No, image. Oh, shit. Image data. Oh, that is wrong. Yeah, that's just stupid. Data and image data, not data, image data. Oh, it's image data. What am I doing? I don't need that part. What is image data? Okay, image data. What the hell? Okay, I'm getting this completely wrong here. Okay, image data for I equal j, image data k. Okay, now we have the image. Image data. Let me wait something. Okay, we copied the image data. Oh no. Oh, we're missing. Did we get something wrong here? I don't think so. Okay, type bitmap draw image. Okay, but first we need an image to load. Image 10 image dot image width. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Oh, type image. I already have it. Oh, it's already here. And image dot image height, image dot image data. Okay, next step, we have to actually load the image. What? Oh wait, bitmap, not an image, bitmap. Okay, now we have to actually load an image. We have the function here. Okay, Okay, image, type image, and image, and we need a file. Draw a file name. Okay, I'm gonna search find a file that I can actually load. It has to be a BMP file. Okay, I found this file right here. It's from the Celeb A dataset. I got it from Google, and it's usually in JPEG, but I converted all the files into BMP just so I can actually read them, because reading a JPEG file with code is basically impossible. So let's see if this works. We got images and image data. Okay, got it right here. Oh, forgot something. We forgot something. Drop it. Oh, parent. Okay, that's stupid. Okay, draw pixel. Type bitmap parent. Type bitmap draw pixel x plus. Okay, what am I missing? X long x. What's missing? Argument type of unsigned long with type bitmap. Okay, it's making no sense here. Too few argument in function call. Type bitmap draw pixel x. Why is it complaining? Okay, I'm making a mistake here somewhere. Build. Buffer overrun. Why does not take two arguments? Oh, I'm making a lot of mistakes here. Okay, there's a stupid mistake. It's not bi width times bi height. It's bi width bi height. Okay, there's a lot of stupid mistakes here. Okay, type bitmap. Okay, that's not an error. Let's save and then rebuild. Hey, it works. Okay, let's run it. See if it will act. Oh, there it is. It actually works. Okay, this is the first image we've loaded. Good. So this part right here, it's been successful. We've successfully loaded an image into memory and then displayed it on the bitmap. Yay. This is not the fastest way of doing this. I'm gonna have to fix this later. It's gonna take a while to really fix it. Okay. Okay, I'm back. It's been a few hours here. This part is just tedious. I fixed the draw image function. I changed everything from image width to image height. Well, the point here is to make it faster by drawing directly into the image data, into the bitmap data, rather than calling draw pixel, which is very, very slow. So I had to do a lot of trial and error and trying to figure out how to make it work. But this is a relatively small change, so everything I think works exactly the same. We built, just see. Okay. Oh, and as another minor change, I also changed bitmap bits to bitmap data to bitmap bits. I guess that's just what they call it in documentation. So I suppose the calling it bits instead of data makes more sense. Okay, why is it an error here? There's no member bitmap bits. Oh, yeah, it's just being strange. Okay, rebuild. See what happens. Okay. Okay, still works. Everything works exactly the same, just some minor changes. Okay. Okay, now let's try loading multiple images. Okay, before we do that, let's clean this up here. Create a new file. New file. Okay, header file. Type file BMP. No, if and def type file BMP H. Okay, copy and paste. Copy. Define type file BMP and if type file BMP. Okay, we know this part works, so let's just copy the whole thing. Where am I? Okay, cut and paste. Okay, include type image .h. Okay, so save it. Type file bmp.h. Okay, now let's do something slightly more complicated. Okay, now we need to learn how to load multiple images. Type images. Let's change, no, images, plural, 100. Okay, image 0. Okay, no, image 1. It's not a pointer. Image 1. Okay, okay, now we have an image that we can actually, what the, undefined. Type file BMP. Oh, whatever. Define type file BMP. Oh, it's just being stupid again. Okay, type image. Okay. Now we need to use find first file. Okay, I'm gonna have to look up how this is done. Okay, find first file. This is the Win32 documentations for how to find multiple files. Just gonna copy from that. See how everything works. Okay, find data. Okay, that's the structure for the find first file handle. No, not handle. Okay, find handle. Okay, find handle equals. What am I? Find handle equals. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it is here. Okay, find handle equals find first file. Okay, let's read that one. Okay, we need a path name. The path name for this one is, it has to be 32-bit. It has to be a white character. Okay, find first file. Okay, find first file. Is there anything else? Find first file. Oh, find data. Okay. And find data. We have to load it in the structure. Okay, what else? If find handle. Okay, not equals. Okay, I have to copy from the documentation here. I don't want to have to type this stuff. It's just too long. If find handle. What else do I do? If find handle or okay. This is getting tedious here. Okay, it's a do while loop. Do. Okay, while. In a do while loop, you have to do something at least once. But I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do here. Okay, there's an end. Do while loop. Find next file. Find next file. Okay, find handle. And find data. Just same thing. Find data. Okay, and find data. Okay, I'm missing some. Oh, there it is. Missing something. Okay, now I need to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing in between this thing. When to load an image. Okay. Okay, I've been playing around with this thing for the past few hours and it just creates a lot of little problems here. Okay, first of all, I got this function right here for loading the path name into the string, because one thing I found about find data is that instead of returning the full path of the string, it returns just the file name itself, which is not very useful. Okay, we got find handle. That's the way it does right here. But find data.c file name. I'm reading from this thing right here. Listing the file in a directory. The problem is that it doesn't return the full path, and if you try to load the file without specifying the full path, it just won't work. And changing directories, it's possible, but I haven't figured out how to do it yet. Okay, so you got example source code here. And long story short, it kind of works if you specified a specific directory and then you have to specify the exact path. There's a lot of complicated stuff here. And I've been working on this for a while now. And okay, here's the function get full path. First, you supply the path name, which is the path to the directory, which is the full thing path to the directory, and then you specify, but without the actual file name. And then in the first part, it goes until it reaches the forward slash, the final forward slash. That's where the file name starts. It just keeps going until it reaches the last one, to the end of the file. And then once it reaches the last one, in the second part right here, it adds the file name. So it in effect creates a full path. Get full path, the length, C length. That's the buffer for the character string. Windows takes a wide character, and the standard library takes a short char character, 8 bytes versus 32-bit, and that creates a lot of, it's just not compatible. So basically, I've been having a lot of problems with it the past few hours here. Okay, now that we have it, select full path name, C buffer. Okay, it loads it into a buffer, and also it needs a maximum length. The result is that just the maximum length string to keep from going over the limit. This is just the total length of the string that I'm not. Oh man, of the total length of the string I'm using. Why did I make a sharp pointer? Yeah, whatever. Sharp pointer path name equals this. Okay, path name. W char. No, what am I doing? Okay. Const W char path name equals this. Okay, path name. That should do. Yeah, that should do. That's just the path name that we're searching for. It's getting cluttered here. I'm gonna have to clean that up later. Path name. Okay, now we have the name of the file that we are using. Okay. Now we load the file into the thing and C buffer. C buffer, char buffer. Okay, image and images dot I, not dot I. Okay, we need an I somewhere. Unsigned long. Unsigned long I. I equals 0. Images dot I. That file BMP load. What is it? That file BMP. Did I forget to include it? Oh. Oh, okay. stdio. Okay. You have to include that here. I don't know if I need mat stdio. Okay, I. Okay, if I plus plus, if I equals, no, more than 100, well, more than 100, break. Okay, there's a final one here, find close. Okay, find close. Okay, find handle. Okay, find close. Okay, everything's been loaded. Okay, now we have to, for I 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, for J, I'm trying to display the images here. For J equals 0, J less than 5, J plus plus. Now K equals 0. Okay, I, J, and K. Oh, wait. Okay, this may not work here. This is complicated. Okay, I times 5. No, times image weight. Okay. Oh. Wait. Ah, okay. Okay, this took a while to figure out. It's really difficult here. So you have to, for each image, we take a, not even sure what I just did. Okay, for I equal 4, let's see if it works. Because the goal is just to display the images in a row, in a row of columns. Okay, I think it worked. Yeah, oh, it works. Okay, there it is. Oh, that took a while to figure out here. Okay, we just loaded a bunch of images and displayed them in a row. Seems simple enough, but it took a real long time to figure out how to do it correctly. Okay, so we're gonna have to clean this up here. Okay, what did it do? Okay, first we search for all the images, then we get the full path. This define data is one of the parameters in the. Okay, where is it right here? Okay. Define data is one of the parameters in the find it W find data. Oh, there it is. W find data is a W char max path. Okay, file name. It says max path, but it only displayed the final part of the file name, not the entire path. So for some reason that just doesn't work right. Anyway, there we go. This is the full. We load each file into a list of file names, images. Where did I keep that thing? Oh, images. We have one of them right here, but we're gonna have to change that later. Okay, then for each column, for 4 columns and for 4 rows, we calculate the location of the image and then we display it. And sounds simple enough, but it's really more complicated than it seems. Okay, now we got it. Next time we're gonna try manipulating the image, like rotating it and do stuff with it.